My name is Mallory, and I have been addicted to trying to be impressive. When I was little, my dream job was to be a famous cellist or a famous singer. So all of my life I have worked to be the most impressive human being that anyone could ever imagine. Later, when I discovered God, it changed my life, but then unfortunately I incorporated God into my bag of tricks of being more impressive than everybody else. And so for most of my life I have tried really hard to make sure that people knew that my husband was more amazing, my job was more amazing, that I looked more amazing. It's really nice to delete all your Facebook pictures that make you look bad. And that I was just, superior. And then I realized I was empty. Though I seemed to have it all, I didn't really feel anything inside. And so a couple of years ago I decided it was enough and that I needed to feel God. I needed to go back to God, no matter whether He wanted me or not, which was my biggest fear, is that He wouldn't accept me because I wasn't good enough. I decided to go back to Him. And so God has started this huge transformation in my life, which has done so much. But one of the major things is I've been challenged to go back to the words of Jesus, to go back to the Gospels, which I thought I had read so many times that there was nothing new in them for me. But people kept saying that Jesus was different, that He was different than this world, that I needed to read them. And so this summer I started to do that, and I started to realize that the person that drove me crazy, that I was frustrated with, that Jesus had the answer, and it was that I was supposed to bless them, and I was supposed to do good for them. That the person who owed me because they had done wrong to me in the past, that I was supposed to forgive them. That all of the things that I had done in life that looked impressive and good, that it was worth nothing because it was on the outside and not on the inside. And even just this week I was reading in the Gospels and I just read a little passage like I do, and I paused and I asked God, what do you want me to know? And in the silence, suddenly, I just saw, in my imagination, I saw our apartment. We share it with several other people. And I saw someone's dirty dishes out, and I saw someone's other stuff out. And then I felt that self-righteousness well up, that, oh, thank God, I am not like that person who leaves their stuff out. And then, like a spotlight, I saw images of several projects that I have left out in the open. Mine, nobody else's, just mine, that I've left for weeks or months. And then I realized that I am no better. That Jesus was showing me, that God was showing me through the scripture, that I have nothing to be proud of. And that I am not better than anyone else. And so by the grace of God alone, there's hope. And these words of Jesus are powerful, and they're changing my life.